How to download Vampire Survivors on Android. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download Vampire Survivors on Android. Downloading Vampire Survivors on Android is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate the Google Play Store app and open it. Search for Vampire Survivors. In the search bar at the bottom, type Vampire Survivors and tap on search icon. Select the game. From the result, tap on the title Vampire Survivors by developer. Install the game. Tap on install button and the game will begin downloading and installing on your device. Vampire Survivor is a roguelite action game where you battle endless wave of enemies, upgrading your character with powerful abilities and survive as long as possible. Open the game. Once the installation is complete, you can tap on open to start playing the game or find it in your app drawer. And here you go, that's how you can download Vampire Survivors on Android. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.